Don't forget to subscribe and I will show you some websites to create text-to-image. You simply have to scroll this file and here you will get the first prompt. Okay, image prompt. You simply have to copy this complete prompt from here. Now all the steps I will tell you, you have to follow as it is. Now we have copied this first prompt from here and after that we will come to the Whisk AI tool. This is Google's official tool that will give you free AI images and animations with it. For this, you simply have to come to Google and type Google Whisk. After paste the prompt, click Next tab to generate the image. Here you can see that the images have started to generate. So finally you can see that we have generated 2 images. And you can see the results of these images. How many ultra-realistic images have been generated here? Now the character we have used here is octopus. You can choose any animal character from here. We can get to generated images. Then paste the other prompt. Then click Generate tab. This will take few minutes to generate. I used only simply prompts to generate images. After generated, we want to download the image. You can generate more images like this, and I will use a website to generate images to video. Our website is called Pixverse AI. It's a very good platform, and it quickly converts AI images into videos. The first time you sign up, it gives you 90 free credits, which lets you create for videos daily per Gmail account. Then upload the image and want to type the prompt. I will show only how to generate image into video and what is the website we used. Then you can easily create videos by using this website. This is one of free website and I will create a new video about free websites like this. Here I create a prompt by using ChatGPT and you also can use ChatGPT to create prompt. Paste the prompt. And we want check settings, especially screen size and the video duration. Then click Generate. As you can see, it creates videos from images very quickly in just a few seconds. Generate completed and we can create many videos like this and create a beautiful long video by using this. I think this will be very useful to all of you and we will meet from the next video. Thank you.